Right here is my old wallet. On the right, and the vertical clasp wallet by the Hunchback leather is on the left. Just look how slim the wallet is. Compared to my old wallet, it is tiny. It is a 550 paracord lanyard. We got the Hunchback leather logo here. It is perfect embedded into the leather, and the stitching here is immaculate. Upon opening the wallet, you could see where the main card compartment is, and the money compartment's right in the back, right next to it. And the snap feels good and solid. Put some cards in there, see how it looks. I put 5 cards in here. And a folded dollar bill twice. Good. Still small, not chunky at all. You could put 10 cards at most in there. It is an awesome wallet if you're in the market for a new wallet or minimal wallet. It fits into your front and back pockets really well. Put the link down below in the description. Appreciate y'all watching the video. You guys have a good one.